Okay, this is called says subway. I'll talk about that in a minute. The passage of the inferior of the feet. I'm just translating it directly. I'll explain all that in a minute. So, okay, we'll come back and I'll tell you all about it in a moment. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so in a minute we're going to walk down that way. Let me just kind of give you a little bit of context. So this right here is a very busy road. You can see all the busy traffic. You can see more of it. The Grand Prix comes through here as well. There's a hotel down there that has like a big Grand Prix box there. So basically it's kind of built for speed and for cars. It's a very straight line. Right now there's a ton of construction. So there's no way to just run across this. And actually they put a little barrier, a little green barrier, different stuff to try to prevent it. Anyways, so what they do on the street is they have underpasses and overpasses. So way down there's an overpass. This is a car overpass, but there's another overpass that's a pedestrian one way down there. And then there's these little things too where you can go down and under. And we're gonna go to this park, but I just want to show you what it looks like when you go under them. So it's funny, it says subway, but the subway doesn't really mean anything. It's not really a subway. But you know, I used to live in Seoul and Osaka, Japan, and Korea, Korea, New York. I lived in lots of places with the subways in Sao Paulo and in my past. And I'd always see these subway signs and you knew this was gonna go into a metro subway station. It's not true here. And this is, it says like, Passagem means like passageway, inferior, para feet, for the feet. So like travel by feet. So basically it's like kind of a way to go underground, a passage underground by, for the pedestrian, for the people walking. So, and I wish I knew what it said in, I think in Chinese. It'd be interesting if somebody wants to translate the Chinese to see how the Chinese would go into English. But in Portuguese it's kind of like the underground passage that you take by feet or for pedestrian. So okay, so in the past this would have a lot of artwork, so I don't know what happened to the artwork. Let me just see. There's a little bit of artwork. This is police. I think it's anyways, but yeah, they used to have all this artwork down here and they painted over it, so now it's all just kind of a basic plain white. But in the past, looks like all the lights are off too, but in the past you had all these lights that were on. Some of these are bright lights, but those are all turned off now. I need to have lots of artwork, but yeah, for some reason all of it is gone. So we could either take the steep steps up, but what we're gonna do is we'll just take the ramp. So yeah, that used to be like just filled with art, but no longer. So now it's just kind of a plain one. So actually this is basically what it looks like. And we're gonna get back up to the top. Up above is an overpass for traffic. And we're just gonna end this video in a moment. And then we're gonna show you this one park with all this cool statue stuff, but that'll be another video in the near future. So, okay. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. Okay, we're gonna do a video in a minute where we're just gonna walk around and take a look at all this artwork and all this cool stuff in here. So you can see there's just countless amounts of cool statues everywhere, and we'll definitely get into more detail with all that in a minute and get sidetracked. It's gonna be cool. Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.